Hey everybody, I am here at Craftiness and I am getting ready to start my intuitive junk journaling class. I'm so excited. Look at all the goodness behind me. Stencils, and that's the table I'm going to be teaching the class at. I'll turn around so you guys can see. Okay. Oh, my hair. Look a mess. I've been rushing to get here. Hold on, let me turn it around. Oh, yay. So, this is going to be the table where the class is. Fabulous. All kinds of crafty goodies. And this is a store over here. They have everything in this store, y'all. Everything. It's amazing. So, yay. I'm so excited. So excited. Try not to jingle the camera too much because I know it freaks people out, and that's where I'm going to be sitting. And that's where my students are going to be sitting. Okay? All right.